Welcome to our solar project. We're going to take you quickly from start to finish, adding 300 watts of solar to our truck camper roof. Trying to decide where is the best place to place the shunts in here. I guess I thought there'd be like some definitive answer, like, you drill here. It does not seem to be the case. So I'm running the cable along the top. I thought, oh, if I can get behind the microwave, I could probably do a straight shot down from the microwave. So I took out the microwave, and the microwave, there is nothing coming straight down behind it. So it comes over to the wall with our pantry here. So took out the stuff in the pantry, and then there's another access wall behind the pantry. So I've taken out that wall. Yay, we've actually found a way to get the wire down. So now I have our wire all the way down here underneath where the stove was.
You took out the stove?
Yeah. The hole that punched through. dive into this now. I cut the extension cord essentially in half to run each half here. This guy on the left, I'm going to make a new receptacle, and this one will go to house power. I've turned on shore power, and so this is our existing outlet here. I'm going to check it. So it gives me 2 lights, tells me we have a good connection. This is our new outlet that I just put in. So if the transfer switch is working correctly, this should light up for us. And it does. So it tells us this is wired correctly. On the solar panels, 0.804. Panel that I actually wired myself, the old panel, I got the polarity reversed. Alright, so there we are. So 35 volts coming in. This is good, means we're working. So we're using our laptops almost every day. So the idea of using this one plug has really not proven to be particularly effective for us. So like what we're doing today, we've got this extension cord we're running over here, and then we're plugging it into whatever this is, like another wall outlet, and then plugging all of our stuff in here. So what I decided to do is I'm going to add another outlet. This was our existing outlet. This is our new. This will be the inverter outlet. Then up here, tiny bit crooked, is the USB outlet that we didn't use anyway. So we've still got the open ground, but this means we have power here now, so yay, this is good. That's it for us. So that is our solar project from start to finish. We've got some other videos up that'll take you through the whole process in a whole lot more detail, as well as a video to tell you how much the whole thing cost. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a message. And hey, thanks for watching.